look by first applying the moisturizer, and I'm using here my A New moisturizer from Avon, and I will be quickly moisturizing my face. So I will be quickly moisturizing my face, and that time the people had flawless face. Like their skin was so flawless, no correction, nothing, and they had minimum makeup products, and still they looked so gorgeous. So I will not be using much of the makeup products that I use usually, and I will be creating it with the the most minimal products that I can. So after moisturizing my face well, I will be using my foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. And I will be using just one pump of it, and I'm not using any beauty blender today. I'm going very normal because I want to create something that those time people look like they were such a beauty. Even after applying so less makeup, they used to look gorgeous. Like we cannot compare the time that it was. And now I will be quickly blending it off. So now after blending it nicely, मैं यूज करूंगी थोड़ा सा कंसीलर. ऑल्दो उस टाइम कंसीलर वगैरह का ट्रेंड इतना ज्यादा नहीं था, बट स्टिल आई एम गोना यूज माई कंसीलर. And I'm using my Maybelline concealer in the shade medium 25, and I'm not going very loud with it, just making my eyes look a little normal. This is the same shade as of my foundation, and now I'll be quickly blending again with the use of my hands. And already ज़्यादा spots तो नहीं है, but यहाँ थोड़े बहुत हैं, तो उसको भी मैंने अच्छे से कवर कर लिया है. So when I had a talk with my mom कि उस टाइम क्या मेकअप्स वगैरह यूज होते थे, तो she told me कि ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स तो नहीं थे, but Blue Heaven was very famous that time, and also Lakme. So these were two very old foundation or brands which my mama used to use that time, and the rest was a natural thing. Even on her wedding, she didn't go to any of the salons or parlors. She used to get ready by her own. So now after applying this nicely, I am going to be very matte today because that time no glossy thing was present. So I'm not using any compact powder because this compact powder is of pink tone and will make my face look very bright, whitish type. So I will be using my loose powder from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 25. So I'll be quickly tapping it from here to get the powder. And voila, I got the powder. I hope you can see. I'm using this makeup sponge. This is not a sponge, actually a cushion type. And I will be quickly baking my face. And I'm not only going with my eyes only, I will be going for my whole face. उस टाइम लेंस का भी बहुत फैशन था, बट अभी मेरे पास लेंस नहीं है, वरना वैसे मम्मा ने भी उसमें लेंस नहीं लगाया है. सो व्हेन वी कंपेयर जो फोटो मैं रिक्रिएट कर रही हूँ आज, सो उसमें मम्मा हैड अ नाइस आई लाइनर. ऑल्दो उनने आई शैडो कुछ नहीं लगाया था, बट मैं हल्का सा गोल्डन कलर का आई शैडो लगाने वाली हूँ. एंड आई डोंट थिंक वो इतना शो होएगा, बट क्या फर्क पड़ता है. So I'm done baking my face, and now I will be quickly getting my eyebrows done. And in that picture, मम्मा ने काफी अच्छी एक sleek eyebrow थी, not too thick, not too bushy, but थोड़ी डार्क आईब्राउज थी, तो मैं भी उसी वे में करूंगी आज. I will be using my Maybelline Nudes palette, and I will be using this black shade. So that time they used to just fill this area, the front area also very darkly. So आज मैं थोड़ा इसको डार्क करूंगी. Okay guys, so I am done with my eyebrows and I will be quickly using this golden color, this golden shade in this palette, and let's quickly apply it. I'll be just using only one coat. So guys, I'm done with my eyeshadow and now I will be quickly going with my wing eyeliner. So I'm using this glimmer stick of Avon. I will be not filling it till the tip because I want my eyes to look bigger, broader. And now I will be going with my eyeliner, which is again from Avon. So let's start. So I'll be quickly back after doing this eye. So guys, I'm done with my eyeliner. My eyes are done and I will be now quickly going for a bronzer or contour. I will be again using my Maybelline's palette for the contour, and I will be using the darker brown shades for contouring. So I'm using this brush for my contour as it is nice inclined like this. Can you see? It is nicely inclined. So I will be using the brown shade here. So I'm using this to quickly make my double chin disappear. So I will be going on with my jawline. So this is the line that I will be going on with, and like this you have to create. And keep in mind to not keep the concentrated product here and apply the brush from here to here so that the product does not get concentrated over this part. So in the same way I'll be doing it here. So I'm done with that, and now मैं करूँगी nose contour. For nose contour I'm using a very tiny little narrow brush and it's a flat brush. You can use any brush like this, and this gives a nice finish to your contour. So I'm using a dark brown shade and just applying the contour this way and connecting it with my eyebrow. And a little tapered from here. Okay, because when you keep the lines like this, it will make your nose very big. Quickly मैं इसको blend कर लूँगी, and I'm using my hands to blend this out and make it sure to not get into this area because this is the main area which needs to be shown. Okay guys, so I am done with contouring my nose, and can you see the nice effect here? My nose have already started looking quite narrow and nice. So अब मैं करूँगी थोड़ी सी highlighting, although उस time पे highlighting was not a trend because everybody wanted a matte skin, but थोड़ी तो highlighting चलती है यार. So again I'm using my Wet n Wild Precious Pearls highlighter, and I will be applying it only on my nose, not anywhere else. Okay guys, so I am done with highlighting. So for blush I am using my this palette, and I'll be using combination of all the reds and pinks out here. उस टाइम पे सबसे आई थिंक जो मोस्ट डिमांडिंग मेकअप प्रोडक्ट था वो था रूज. एवरीबडी यूज्ड टू कॉल इट रूज, दैट इज ब्लश. तो ब्लश को रूज बोलते थे, एंड मुझे भी उस टाइम बहुत पसंद था रूज लगाना. एंड इट यूज टू कम इन अ नाइस डब्बी लाइक दैट, और उसमें एक कुशन टाइप होता था, एंड एवरीबडी यूज टू पुट लॉट ऑफ ब्लश. So as you all can see, यहाँ का ब्लश कुछ ज़्यादा ही लग गया है. So you can always correct your blush by applying some कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर बाय अप्लाइंग सम कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. मैं भी यही करने वाली हूँ यहाँ. Now it's looking perfect, I guess. Okay, so अब मैं लगाने वाली हूँ लिपस्टिक, and for lipstick I'm using a gajri color. I hope you know a carrot type of color. I'll quickly show you. This is from Avon. See. So I will be quickly patting it with some powder to make it matte, completely matte and long lasting. So for that I'm using my compact powder, Simply Pretty compact powder, and I will be applying some product on my lips, quickly dabbing it off. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेस नहीं करना है, हल्का हल्का सा इसको प्रेस करके लगाना है. एंड मेक श्योर कि आप ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट ना लें इस क्वेश्चन में, बिकॉज अदरवाइज वो पूरा देखो कलर जैसे इसमें डिफरेंट हो रहा है, वो और वाइटिश हो जाएगा. डन विद दैट, एंड मेरी लिपस्टिक भी पूरी हो चुकी है. नाउ इज द फाइनल टच. तो आई विल बी क्विकली बैक साड़ी पहन के और ज्वेलरी पहन के. गाइस, आई जस्ट वोर माई साड़ी एंड I will be applying some liquid lipstick because मुझे पता चला कि ये थोड़ा ऑफ जा रहा है. Like I need some redness in my lips. So मैं एक लेयर थोड़ी सी इसकी लगाऊंगी बीच में. So I am done with applying my lipstick. I hope I'm looking good. So quickly मैं पहन के आती हूँ अपना jewelry and I'll meet you soon. So guys, that's it for the video, and I'm done with my makeup, and this is what I recreated. And I have few pics that I tried to copy my mother, and they are just right after I end my talking. And guys, that's it for today's video, and I am done with my makeup, and I am done with recreating my mother's look. And I have not tied a bun because I was not comfortable in that. So I hope you all loved my look, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And this is specially dedicated for my mother, to my mother. So happy Mother's Day, Mama. And I love you all so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also don't forget to comment down below that how the look was. I must be a little close, but mother's beauty cannot be matched. So with this I will be ending up this video, and lots of love to you guys. Be with your mother, make your mother feel very special, not this day but every day. So guys, I will be meeting you again in the next video. Till then, tada, bye bye, I love you all.